How to log into your Bumble account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log in or sign in to your Bumble account. So to do that, first of all, open up the Bumble app on your mobile device. And once you've opened the app, it will basically provide you two different options. You can either sign in using your Facebook or you can use your cell phone number. And it will also show you your last sign in with either your Facebook or your phone number. So since I was logged in to my cell phone number, I'll simply tap on the option use cell phone number. And then you'll have to enter your detail over here. Now once you've done that, you'll have to verify, so simply tap on the option OK. Now since I chose my phone number, I'll have to enter the code sent to my phone number. Now that code should be arriving any moment, and once it has arrived, it will simply enter it by itself, and there you have it. I have already been logged into my account. So it was as easy as that. All you have to do is, if you entered your phone number, simply enter it and then enter the code. But if you chose Facebook, all you have to do is log into your Facebook account, and then you'll have logged into your Bumble account as well. So that is basically how you log into your Bumble account. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.